These fabric pumpkins with real stick stems make a charming decoration for the entire fall season. I have a simple method for making these, so let me show you how. For this project, you'll need a piece of fabric about 7 by 7 inches, fiberfill stuffing, scissors, thread and needle, a stick, wire cutters, a thin pipe cleaner, a skewer, a pencil, a ruler, and fiberfill stuffing. To begin, you need to cut a 6-inch circle from your fabric. If you have something to trace around, that would be best. Otherwise, use a ruler and a pencil to measure 6 inches in spaces rotating around a 3-inch axis to make a circle. Cut out the circle. Thread the needle with the thread so it's doubled and tie a knot at the end. Begin sewing around the edge of the circle using large stitches, just going in and out to make a gather stitch all the way around. Keep going until you get back to where you started. Gather the circle a little bit, about halfway closed, and then stuff it full of fiberfill. Use enough fiberfill to round out the pumpkin, but don't overstuff. When you're ready, take both ends of the thread and pull the gathering in tight. You won't be able to get it to completely close, but that's okay. You need a little bit of an opening for the stem, the stick stem. You can add a little more fiberfill at this point if your pumpkin needs a little more rounding out. Pull the threads again together tight. Again, you'll have a little bit of an opening at the top, and tie the threads in knots to hold everything in place. You might want to take a stitch or two just to make sure it's all secure. And then cut the thread. At this point, you can arrange the gathers a little bit so they're not all bunched up in one spot. Use the cutters to cut a piece of stick about 2 inches long. Coat the bottom of the stick with the thick white craft glue, and then insert it in the middle of the pumpkin. It's probably best to do this last step after the glue dries, but I'm impatient, so I'm going to do it now. But wrap your skinny pipe cleaner around the base of the stem and coil it around several times, one coil right next to the other, to hide any loose fabric ends and to hide the stitches where it's gathered. Then take the end of the pipe cleaner and send it through the outer coil and pull it tight just to secure everything into place. Hold the skewer up against the pipe cleaner and wrap the pipe cleaner around the skewer to make a spiral. Remove the skewer, and then you can use wire cutters or fingernail clippers to clip off the end of the pipe cleaner. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more holiday ideas and other crafts. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.